Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to directly online install Windows 11. Let's go start. Open any browser. We use the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. So type here for the Windows 11 Installation Assistant and press Enter. First click Download Windows 11. Scroll down and click on Download Now. Click Open and click Yes. Use the PC Health Check app to check compatibility. So click on Get PC Health Check app. Again, Download Now click. Open the download file. I accept the terms in the license agreement and click Next. Do the minimize the other windows. Installed for Windows PC Health Check is installed, and finish. Click on Check Now. Great news! Windows 11 is here. Check device specifications for apps and features that exceed minimum system requirements and Windows 11 features that aren't available in Windows 11. Click on More about Windows 11. Click on Get Windows 11. Now click on Refresh and accept and install. The installation process will then begin, which may take some time and involve multiple restarts. Wait for a few times. Waiting for some times, that's downloading Windows. Choose privacy settings for your device, location, languages, and others, etc. Then click Accept Now. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.